my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I can't.
Good morning, TNC family. I seen a prank the other day while throwing flowers in your partner's face while my wife is in there asleep. I'm finna go wake her ass up and hit her in the face with some flowers. I just want to see how this prank goes, TNC family. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna be right back at it. Give me a minute. I'm gonna brush up my teeth, and then I'm going in there after I wash my face and stuff. Be right back. Now. Okay, TNC family, I'm finna get her ass. She's knocked out, but Lily up. Me and Lily finna get her. Come on, get her. Put some flour in her face. Take your hand and put it in her face. Yeah, hurry up. Put it in her face. Taste it. Okay, put it in baby's face. You ready? Hey, you alright? Hey. Ooh, wee, babe. The hell going on here? You alright? Oh my God! Look at you! Look at you!
What the fuck?
Oh my
Yo!
God. Look at your face, babe. Oh my God! You look fucked up. What you do? You spilled something, Lily? You see her face?
Babe, what the hell you doing? What's wrong? What's going on? What are you doing? Why you wait?
You know that little punk ass prank you
Babe.
did? I had to get one back. So I did this one this morning. How you feel? Look at her face, Lily.
Babe!
Say, it's a banger.
Why you had to wake me up?
Come on, man. I got my prank off. I had to get my shit off. We got a banger. Come on, let's see. Come here. We say banger.
Babe, what is wrong with you?
Lily, we pranked her.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. Say banger.
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 nose.
Look at baby. Look at baby.
Yo!
You act like you mad.
You put this shit in my nose.
Okay, but it ain't my fault, babe.
What
Fuck it.
is
You
this?
just gotta handle it.
Where is this stuff?
It's not cocaine. It's flour. I got your ass, boy. TNC family. Banger. Blew her ass away this morning. Got her. I knew I was gonna get her ass early. Man, look at her face.
You
Look at
don't clean this fucking bed.
Look at her face, TNC family. Her face is all caked up. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Tell me if I got her ass. Y'all should give me some more suggestions. She mad.
I'm punching you in your
Look, she can't
fucking
even
face.
see. Look. We get closer. I want y'all to see her face. Look at her face.
It's
Look.
not fucking funny. Get this shit out of my face.
TNC family, me and Lily did a banger, right, Lily?
This make you
Lily,
happy?
say banger.
Banger.
Say we got baby,
Lily,
we
you
got
down
grandma.
with it, Lily? Lily, you down
Say
with it?
yes.
No, what you doing now?
You did that to me?
Say yes.
You put stuff on me too?
Yes. Banger, me and Lily did a banger.
You're gonna get foggy.
We did a banger on Baby, right? Look at her face. Look at her. She mad. Baby is mad. Banger.
Just make your day.
Me and my Lily
Did this
just
make
did
your
it.
day?
Me and my Lily just got Baby.
Did this
with
make
a
your
banger.
day?
Of course it made my day. I'm happy I got your ass. I'm glad. TNC family, like, comment, and subscribe. We tore up the bangers this morning. Look at her. Look at she digging shit out her nose. Get up and go clean up or something, man. You laying here like
Shut up!
it ain't my fault.
Whose
Shit.
fault is it?
Yours. Banger. Look at her. Laugh,
Move them away.
It ain't my
That
fault,
don't make no
baby.
damn sense.
Look at her face.
You gonna still put the fuck...
I just want the TNC family to see how you look this morning. You mad? You big mad?
feel like smacking
It's
the
such
shit
a
out
prank, babe. It's just a prank.
It's
That's
just a
all.
prank.
Yeah. Right,
Alright,
Lily?
so I'm not supposed to smack the fuck out you?
Say it's a prank,
Because
baby.
it's a prank, I'm not supposed to smack the fuck out you?
Nah.
Alright.
I love you. TNC family, like, comment, and subscribe. We got her. And we out, TNC family. I got her this morning, boy. A banger. A real banger. Later, y'all.